Mobile network connected, but no internet. Don't worry. In this video, we'll fix no internet access with easy steps. Let's get started. Open your device settings. Scroll down and tap on Network and Internet. Find and tap on Private DNS. Select Automatic Private DNS mode to ensure your network connects properly. Tap on Save to apply the changes. Now let's check your time settings. Open your device settings. Go back to Settings and scroll down to System. Tap on Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. If the issue persists, resetting your network settings might help. Open your device settings. Go back to System and tap on Reset Options. Select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap on Reset Settings to confirm. After completing these steps, restart your device and check if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.